Hey guys, so you can see from the title of this video, I'm doing a massive Disney unboxing. They're all mystery boxes. I'm going to start with these three. I've had these three the longest. These are from a boutique called Wiley Fox Boutique. I will leave the link down below. They do all different Disney stuff and everything. But these are Beauty and the Beast Disney mystery boxes. The three little Tsum Tsums came first. They came on top, so I couldn't exactly mystery those. But I got a little Cogsworth. Look at him, look how cute he is. And then I have a little Chip. And then I have a little Lumiere. They all come in three little boxes. I think these were like a tenner each or something like that. But they're all 90s nostalgia, proper Beauty and the Beast stuff. So we're going to open the first one. Ooh, we got something in an actual mystery bag that's in holographic paper. First on top, yeah, so these are all from Wiley Fox. Yeah, oh, the Wiley Fox. Pop culture gift shop. Here's all the details that you will need. I'll leave them all on. So it's first on top is actually a necklace. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is a beauty, obviously, they're all Beauty and the Beast. This is the Rose necklace. Look how bloody stunning that is. I'm in love. This, beautiful. Then I have, is this a badge? I think so. It is. Yeah, it is a badge. It's a little bell badge. Look at her. My face is in the way as per normal. I don't know if it's going to focus on her because she's so little. And then we've got a Beauty is Found Within badge, which is on the card. So it's a proper pin badge. Haha, love things like that. And then also we've got a little Beauty and the Beast, and it changes. It's one of the old school holographic change pictures of Belle and Beast. And then we have a pack of Beauty and the Beast cards, and then a postcard from Disney, which is really old. It's 1991. So this, I believe this is before the film even came out. They've made this, and this is stunning. That is going on the board or something. I love, if you didn't know, I love Beauty and the Beast. And then I'm going to open a little holographic bag, but I think it's already pierced itself, but we'll open it anyway. Sorry for the noise. It's a little mirror. It's like Belle and Beast in the winter scene on a little mirror. That's stunning. And then it's holographic little wrapping. And then I'm going to open the pack of cards, but I'm going to be careful with these. I'm not going to rip them open. I'm going to cut the top off. A pack of 10, and trust me, these will go somewhere. I'll decorate something with them. But they're all oh my god, they're all proper vintage, Beauty and the Beast cards. I got the opening sequence, and these are from Disneyland Paris, because they're all in French, I think. And oh my god, I'm in love. And then I've got a little these are proper holographic cards, because there's a little picture on it. Oh my god. So that is box one. I bought three because Beauty and the Beast is my favourite thing in the world. I'm going to keep the little pink bag for the necklace. I told Leo I was buying these, and he was like, really? And I was like, yeah, Disney. I love Disney. Always have done. I will leave all the shops and stuff down below, because I bought two off of Etsy and then two off this boutique itself. This is another box. Yet again, we've got another little mirror, I believe. I've got the same necklace again. I can see it on top. This is similar sort of scene. Actually, they're slightly different. I'm just going to have a Beauty and the Beast mirror everywhere I go. I got another Beauty is Found Within badge, and then another little Belle necklace, but these are going giveaways and stuff like that. I got a little Gaston, I got another one of these holographic key rings, but this one's Gaston and Belle. Another pack of cards, another different scene from Beauty and the Beast, and then the bottom of the box is the same. Let's see what we've got in this pack of cards. These are so cute, and these are really good like gift ideas if you've got like a beauty, like a Disney lover, because they do all different types of Disney and they don't just do Disney. Yeah, get a Gaston and Belle. My favourite scene of the whole film. Till the time. Didn't get a holographic one in those, but you never do if you get loads of packs. This one jingles as well, but I'm guessing it's the same sort of necklace. These would be really good if you had like a kids party and you had like a themed party and you just did like Disney boxes as party favours. So yeah, same sort of necklace, but it's come out its wrapper. That's why I could hear it jingle. Oh, this mirror's just got Beast on it. His little girl. That's cool. Yeah, so same necklace, which is nice because it's just, if you didn't know what you were getting, at least each box has got a little necklace in it. So I got Mrs. Potts, and then Beauty is Found Within. So if the Livs want, we can all match. And then I've got another one of these little holographic things, and it's a Madame Gaston, his little wife. That whole scene, I love that. They're all going on my keys. I got another different postcard, which is nice. It's it just says Disney. It doesn't say where it's from. But this is the whole actual scene. Oh wait, the whole scene. Time, true as it can be. Oh, this scene, I love this scene. Barely even friends, then somebody then unexpectedly. Favourite bit of the whole thing. And it goes, again they embrace, this time their kiss broke the spell forever. And this is 198, so they've all got numbers on the back, so I'm guessing at one point you could have got like a book for them all, which would have like made my life. There's like coloured dots on them, so they might be like rare or not rare. But yeah, I really like these from the Wiley Fox. Next is one I got off of Etsy. I have opened it, but look at this packaging. Like, it's all Disney princess paper. It's so cute. Then it comes in some tissue paper. And then this is from a brand called Fairy Tale Boxes. This one asked me like what my favourite Disney film was and everything. So I've got 4 little packages here. And I kind of went Mulan, Pocahontas, Beauty and the Beast. Because Mulan is my second favourite like Disney film ever. And Pocahontas is surprisingly limbs. Everything is beautifully wrapped. Oh, what's this? I think this is actually from the Disney parks. If I can get into it. It is. Oh, this is so cute. So it says Happy Dreams on it. It is a Minnie Mouse little like purse thing. And it goes on like your keys or something. And you can put like your ID here and some money in here, which is really cute. And then like 2 cards. Oh, I really like this. Oh, and you can wear it. Oh, that's it. That is sort of thing you wear around like the Disney parks. You'd like hook it on and then just wear it for the rest of the day. I really like that. It's little pink Minnie Mouse spots. That's adorable. Next one. I like cut everything open because I hate like ripping things open. Yes. Let's get it out first, Alex, before you say what it is. Is this a... Oh my god, it's just all over different style of Disney coaster. Oh my god, that's beautiful. It's all like all the Disney films on it. I don't think you're going to be able to pick up the detail on this. I'll see if I can insert a picture. I'll take a picture of it. But oh my god, it's got all different like old school Disney films. That's stunning. I like this. This I like a lot. It go on my bedside along with my chip one. Next is a tiny little one, so I'm believing it's a magnet. I've just cut through Belle's face. Well done, Alexandra. Oh no, it's not what I expected it to be. It is some like Disney Princess Pocahontas cards. But these look like they were playing cards, which is quite cool. Look, they've recycled these. They're awesome. And then, last but not least, is this little bit. Sorry, Merida. I'm like cutting her head off. Is a... Ah, that's why I said I was a Tink fan. These are cells from the Tinkerbell film. That's cool. I really like that. I love Tinkerbell. Belle and Tinkerbell are my favourite like people, but I didn't really like the Tinkerbell films. I always preferred Peter Pan, obviously. And last but not least is probably the biggest box I've ever received. I've opened it just for... And then there is a bit of Winnie the Pooh tape. And we open it. And it goes, unbox the magic spoilers, which is the brand that came with it. So first, it's all in like wrapping and stuff, so it's beautiful. First I'm going to open this. Madame Gaston, his little wife. This is an Alice in Wonderland pen, I believe. I think it's, yeah, it's a charm pen. This is coming to work with me. I love a good pen. And at least then no one can steal it. This one says open me. To Alex from Unbox the Magic. Oh, there's a few bits in here. So first we have, feels like a lipstick. It may not be a lipstick. It is a lipstick, I think. Yeah. It is a Disney Mickey True Original Satin Lipstick in the shade Mauve. I probably will never use this, but yeah, a little lipstick. Next is, it's all got like mini tape on it and everything. These are from Primark, but I never picked these up because I've got some of the Mickey earrings, but I didn't ever see these. These are like Mickey little studs. Oh my god, I am wearing those hoops. They're like hoops but studs. They're little Mickeys. Oh my god. I actually want to go back to Disney now. And then I've got some like little Wreck-It Ralph iron-on patches. Oh, I've got a denim jacket that I could like patch up. Then I have in here a little tin of Goofy mints, I'm hoping. Oh, they look like citrus. Oh, these are from Disney, like Disney Paris, because it says it on it and it's all in French. I'm guessing they're like lemon sweets. The little blue doll. Next is something that is in bubble wrap. I always reuse bubble wrap. Like, I sell stuff on Depop. If you want to see my Depop, I'll leave it down below. Oh, I feel like it's like my birthday or something, because like I'm unwrapping stuff and a lot of stuff like that. It is a Cinderella mug and socks. Oh my god, the socks look like the glass slippers. That's so cool. This I probably re-gifted to one of my mates. Olivia, if you want it, you can have it, because I don't use mugs, but the socks are so cute. But this is a brilliant box. Like, for a Disney lover like me, there's loads. Next is what I believe is a pillow. It's a big, oh, guest pillow. That's going on my bed immediately. It's going right behind me by the sloth. That's so cute. I've lost my scissors. How have I lost scissors? Story of my life, I've lost scissors. That is gorgeous, and it's going on my bed. It doesn't, slightly matches my room in pale blue. And then last but not least, this is in a large. I know that for a fact because this box was like large item of clothing, but I can deal with that. I love that it says, sorry there was a slight problem with your item. I'm going to read the little letter. Alex, I'd like to apologise as the tag for this is snapped off in handling. I can assure you it's brand new and I have tied the tag back on from Chloe at Unbox the Magic. She does like all different size boxes and everything. Etsy's a brilliant place to find like mystery boxes and everything. It's a little Edna Mode. Like, I'm guessing it's a cropped jumper, but if it's in a large it'd be like a normal sized on me. But it is, it's like it's an Edna Mode jumper. I'm going to stand up so you can see it a bit better. But look at it, look how cute it is. This I really like. This I will actually wear because you can't really tell it's Disney. And it's got like a little zip up here, and this is beautiful. I never knew they did this. They must have done it for the Incredibles collection. So that is the end of the Disney unboxing. If you want to see more like mystery unboxings or like more Disney stuff and everything like that, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember, we're trying to hit 500 subscribers, so don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified when I upload. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.